Hey guys, welcome back to Tabitha's Baking and DIYs. I don't know if we'll have a baking video into this video. It might just be a vlog video because the recipes that I'm using today are not mine. I love watching how to cake it, and I'm using her recipe for cheesecake today, and doing some cute little things for a little Galentine's Day party that we are having tomorrow night. If you're wondering what this is, it's to pull back my hair. It's in a bun, but like when I had COVID, almost come the end of, it's like a year and a half. Come the end of August, it will be, sorry for that, there was something on my screen. Come the end of August, it'll be 2 years since I had it. And I think not too long after, I started to notice my hair was falling out. And that was one of the things that at that time nobody really talked about with COVID, so I was kind of like really scared of it. And then my cousin, she started going through it too. But like, this is all the COVID regrowth. It mostly affected like the sides of my hair. Like, yeah, it didn't really do anything to the back. Thankfully, I still have the length. But anyways, about to put on a face of makeup, put on some eyelashes. I got my eyebrows waxed yesterday, so I'm feeling myself today. I can't vlog in the store because I don't know, number one, if they allow it, but I get scared to vlog in places. But we will be back for the vlog later when I start on the cheesecake. I will show you guys a video of my finished look for the day though. Okay, y'all, this is the finished makeup look. I'm just gonna put on chapstick because it's not a day to wear lipstick because I'm already mad that so literally, what the fuck? Well, anyways, every time I put eyelashes on since yesterday, it doesn't want to glue on the way like if I put glue on the lash and stick it on. So I had to like do it on my eyelid. And I don't like that because then that makes me feel like I need to wear eyeliner, but we're not putting on eyeliner today. Today is not an eyeliner day. Because this is the look. I don't think I need it. And the wing kind of gets annoying because sometimes I'm a perfectionist. But yeah, I'm about to go to the grocery store. I know my hair is ugly right now. I curled it yesterday, but I don't think I like the wand. I don't know if curls are really for me. Sometimes they are, but I can only get like good curls with, I haven't had good curls since like middle school when we used to have an end styler. I miss it. I miss it. But anyways, about to go to the grocery store, pick up some things, like 10 things. I'm buying mascarpone cheese for the first time because that's what Yolanda from How to Cake It puts in her cheesecake. Never done that before, so I'm hoping it's good. Also, I'm not buying vanilla beans that are in that recipe because they're expensive. Like, I remember one time I went to Walmart to try and go buy some. 2 of them were $11 and I was like, nope, this is the cheap brain. This is the cheap brain. What is that? Let me refix that and then I'll show you guys sometime later when I get back to the store, from the store. Okay guys, welcome back to the vlog. This is my sister, Cassandra. We're going to try out these honey graham gluten-free graham crackers because I'm going to do a gluten-free cheesecake. They come in like cute individual packaging. If you hear running, my nephew is running around in his new shoes.
Want to try one?
Yes, okay.
Don't taste too bad.
They kind of taste like those Goya cookies, like the texture.
They're not as crunchy as like the regular.
They're really airy. Okay, we'll come back later. This is the only thing that I want to do right now.